My name is Kaylee Bartosh, and I'm doing the Acids and Bases Lab. We're testing some household products to see if they're an acid or a base or a neutral. Um, Acids taste sour, and bases are usually bitter, and they have like a slippery consistency. The enzyme in red cabbage that we will be testing after we test with the pH strips will be the enzyme in the red cabbage is called flavin, and that's what helps with the pH indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and take my strips and dip them. This one is going to be baking soda, which and it is giving me, let's see, it's an acid, it's about 8.4. Get out our tap water here. And it's about 7.2 is how it's measuring. So it seems to be a neutral. Next is hand soap. Hand soap. That is showing to be about a 6.2 on that pH balance there. Distilled water is next. That's about a 6.8, so a low acid. Let's see. Next we have lime juice. So that's low too. So it's an acid, looks like it's reading about a 6.2. Ammonia, another household all-purpose cleaning product. Looks to be 8.4 or more, so it's a base. Last but not least is vinegar. Which looks to be about a 6.2 as well. So now we'll go back in with the red cabbage and pour a little bit of the bold cabbage juice. And then what we're doing is seeing if the color closely matches the strips. So whether it's a base, an acid. So let's go in with a little bit here. Hopefully I don't spill it. Okay. So that looks kind of blue. And this one stayed purple because it's a neutral, so it didn't have to change at all. The soap stayed purple. Distilled water stayed purple. No change with the juice, the cabbage juice. Ooh, that turned a pretty like pink red. Ammonia turned green. And the vinegar turned a pretty pink red. So I will let you look in this one turned like a blue-green. That's just a purple because it was neutral, so it didn't change at all. And that one again is a purple. Lime juice has a pretty pink color for an acid. The ammonia turned green for a base. And the vinegar is a pretty red for an acid. Okay, and I do believe that the way the red cabbage changes it, whether it's a base to a blue-green color or an acid is a pink-red, and if it's a neutral, then it stays the purple juice because there's nowhere, it doesn't need to change. it was accurate with the testing strips for the pH level. Thank you.